Hello, my dear students. Have you missed me or not? I miss you already. Okay, so now I think it's time to look at the solution for the worksheets. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start question by question. A. The question says, decide whether each of the following word groups is a sentence or a sentence fragment. Remember, a sentence contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. If the word group is a sentence, write S on the line. If is a sentence fragment, write F. And when do I say that it is a sentence fragment? When it is missing one of the key components. If it's missing a subject, if it's missing a verb, or is missing a complete thought. So are you ready? Number one, some girls in the class. What about the some girls in the class? Here I have the subject, but do I have a verb or a complete thought? No. So is this group of words is missing something? Yes, it is missing. It's missing one of the key components. So can I consider it a sentence or a sentence fragment? No, I cannot consider it a complete sentence since it's missing a part. So it is a fragment. Excellent. Number two, my classes start after the weekend. My classes start after the weekend. First of all, I understand it, so it gives me a complete thought. I have a subject, my classes, and I have the verb start. Then it is a complete sentence. Great. Number three, from morning until night. What happens from morning until night? Did I get a complete thought here? No, so I can directly say that it is missing a key component, so it is a fragment. Number four, Sarah slammed the door and left. Sarah slammed the door and left. Here I have a subject, Sarah, and I have a verb, slammed. Do I have a complete idea? Also, I have a complete thought. So, is it a fragment or a complete sentence? It is a sentence. Excellent. Five, the doctor gave me a bitter medicine. The doctor gave me a bitter medicine. I have a subject, yes, the doctor. I have a verb, yes, gave. And does it have a complete thought? For sure, it has a complete thought. Okay? Then it is a complete sentence. The last one, running down the street. You might say that it starts with a capital letter and it ends with a period, so it's a complete sentence. No, sorry, it's not a complete sentence. Why? Let's see. Running down the street. Who is running down the street? Do I know? No, I don't know at all. So, is it a complete sentence? No, it is a fragment since it's missing a subject. Excellent. So it is a fragment. Okay, let's move to exercise B now. B, right beside each sentence, S for statement, Q for question, C for comment, and E for exclamation. Number one, the concert begins in 2 hours. What does this sentence give me? Is it a question? Does it ask a question? No. Does it give an order? Is it a comment? No. So it's either a statement or exclamation. Does it express feelings? No. What does it do? It tells something. So it's what? It is a statement. So we write beside it S. 2. Suddenly, a bear appeared in my path. Oh my God, here I'm expressing feelings. So it it is an exclamation and it ends with an exclamation mark. Excellent, it's an exclamation. 3. Drop what you're doing and come celebrate with us. Okay? Drop what you're doing. So I'm telling someone to drop, or I'm ordering someone to do something. Okay? So here you see I'm ordering. So it is what? It is a comment. And notice that the sentence starts directly with the verb and it gives me a complete idea. So it's an order, it's a comment. 4. What are you taking to the prom? Prom will mean a party. What are you taking to the prom? I'm asking about something and it ends with a question mark. So it is what? A question. Excellent. 5. I want to become a writer. I want to become a writer. So I'm telling something here. So it is what? It's a statement. 6. Please bring me that file. Please bring me that file. So here I'm asking for something. I have a polite request, and you see the word please here shows a polite request. Since it's a polite request, we call it a command. Excellent. 7. Did I say anything to make you angry? Uh-huh. So here I'm asking about something. So it is what? It's a question. Also, I have a question mark at the end. 8. What a tragedy. Okay, so I'm saying something about, I'm expressing my feeling towards something. So I say that it is a tragedy. So since I'm expressing my feelings, it is what? It is exclamation. Okay, so I think that now everything is clear for you. Let's move to exercise C. C. Add the correct punctuation to the end of each sentence. Here I have to add the correct punctuation only. Okay, either a question mark or a period or an exclamation mark. Number 1, you like Mexican food, don't you? So here what I'm expressing a question. I'm asking a question. Okay, don't you? So since I'm asking a question mark, what must the sentence end with? It must end with a question mark. Oh my goodness, I won. So here I'm telling my emotions, I'm expressing my feelings, and I'm excited. So here what must it end with? It must end with an exclamation mark. Excellent, because it expresses strong feeling. 3. Respond immediately. Here what do I have? I have an order. So the order is a comment, and the comment ends with what? Ends with a period. Excellent. 4. Hawaii has a tropical climate. Hawaii has a tropical climate. I'm telling about the climate or the weather in Hawaii. So I'm stating something. So it is a statement. So it is a statement, then it must end with a period. Excellent. 5. She writes with her left hand. She writes with her left hand. I'm telling something about her. Okay? So since I'm telling something, there is a statement, and the statement ends with a period. 6. How ridiculous this is. One of you might directly say, it starts with how, then it's a question. But remember what I said before, that sometimes other sentences other than questions start with WH words like how, what, okay? This is not a question because here I'm not asking a question. And notice how ridiculous this is. The verb is at the end, the subject is before the verb. Here, since I have a subject before the verb, then it is not a question at all. Okay, so we agree on something first. It is not a question. I have how at the beginning, but here I have subject, then the verb. Subject, then the verb. This is, okay, the verb is at the end. Then what it is? Is it a command? Is it giving an order? No, it's not giving an order. Since it's not a question and it's not giving an order, then it's either a statement or exclamation. Okay? It's telling something, you might say it's telling something, but at the same time, it's expressing strong feelings. It is expressing strong feelings. So when the sentence expresses strong feelings, what do we call it? Exclamation. Excellent. So what must it end with? Exclamation mark. Excellent. 7. Who told you this? Who told you this? Notice here, WH word. Who told the verb, then you. So I have the verb before the subject here. So is it exclamation? No, it's not exclamation because I have the verb before the subject. So what it is, it's a question here. And what must the question end with? It must end with a question mark. Excellent, my students. And the last one now, fetch me a glass of water. Okay, fetch me a glass of water. So here it's like I'm asking for something, a polite request or an order. Okay, So since it's an order, it's a comment. And the comment ends with what? The comment ends with a period. Excellent, great job. I think that now it's clear. We can move to the last question, which is you have to write your own sentences. You have to write your own question and you have to write your own comment. Here I added some examples. These are my own questions and comments. You can write your own for sure if they are correct. I don't mind at all. But let me give you my answer for the question I asked. Okay, you see the question I asked. Have you ever traveled to Turkey? And notice I started with a capital letter and ended with a question mark. Have you ever? Have you ever? I started with the verb, then the subject. Okay? Comment. Leave your tablet and finish your homework. Leave the verb. I started with the verb directly. Leave your tablet and finish your homework. Notice also that I started with the capital letter and ended with a period. Okay? So now, my dear students, that we have finished from the solution, I hope that everything is clear for you, and I hope that you revise everything and get ready for the online quiz. Okay, it will be very easy, don't worry, and it will be similar to these questions. Okay, so until the next week, stay safe and see you soon. Bye.